Hello, after I found out, first I start to change the spark plug and the coil because that easy. And after I change the spark plug and the coil, but everything is still the same. So I have to order the fuel injection. So I buy the new fuel injection and I change the new one on the number 6 right there. The last one. You have to take off this one, take one, everything out, and take the whole thing out, and you can change the fuel injection. I mean the fuel injection right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number 6 is the last one right there. So after I change the fuel injection, and the car is working. Normally they say MIG 5 number 6, it means sometimes the coil, sometimes the spark plug. And because every car is different. Sometimes it happen only spark plug, it's easy. Sometimes it happen to the coil. And I buy the fuel injection on the eBay. So you buy the used ones, okay. You can buy 2 or 3 so for the spare. But normally they broke only one, so you don't need to buy the whole thing, and after that and you have to change the whole thing. You don't need to because it's very very rare to it happen, so you don't have to. Some people they seriously and they just buy the thing, the whole thing, but for me I just buy like $20 at the eBay, and I put it on and it's working good now. And thank you for watching. It any question you can ask me for something. Thank you. Bye bye.